Hello, hello, hello. Shut up. Okay, there we go. Hello, Pashankie. This is Steak. I'll be playtesting a bit of your We Could Get More Machinegun Psystyle. I don't know if I'm saying that last word right. I apologize. I am not good with words. Okay. Let's do this. I'm just gonna check. Ooh. Okay, that's probably a good idea. Actually, no, I remember. I wasn't the whole best with the JD because I'm not good with speed. I suck at it a ton. So we're just gonna do at further speed, and I'm gonna try at default, see what happens. And plus, it's lagging so bad. Oh, I think it's okay now. It's just Oculus recording. Okay, yeah. Ah, damn. Okay. Ooh. Damn, this is interesting for sure. Oh. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Yeah. God damn. Apologies on that. This usually doesn't happen, but I don't know. It could be just a lag that's really messing things up. Overall, it's tight. The mapping's alright. Definitely quite interesting overall. Yes, I don't know how to really say. Definitely the chains on the stream were a bit off to me. I don't know if it's just skill issue. But I'll definitely try it again. See what happens, you know? Beat Saber is not opening up. Finally, thank you. Yes, usually this doesn't happen, so again, I apologize. Now it's lagging so badly now. Oh. Okay, it's all good. Yeah. While this is waiting and loading, definitely, I'll check it out again in the default JD, or is it NJS? No jump offset. Yeah. I'm gonna do that in the default setting, and then we're gonna try it out in the whatever. So we're gonna do it in the default and then go jump into 80 speed. In the default, of course. Just to bring out the most accurate experience in moi. So yeah. Let's go. Interesting. That some of those strings were so weird. None. Yeah. Yeah, that's alright. Yeah, I don't know really what to say except for what I said earlier. Yeah, I think the chain on that stream I talked about, it's definitely probably more of a skill issue. Again, I'll try it in the lower speed, see what happens. And yeah, I don't know. Yeah. Let's go, Mario. Overall, I think the JD, it's definitely alright. But it's definitely pretty close. That's what I could say about it. So I don't know, if you could bring it back just a tad bit, that would be great. Probably like 18.5 or just 18. I'll definitely try this again, because definitely there are some chains that I messed up, but I don't know if it's like, because I really have to get in, like, you know, to swing. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's a skill issue. Yeah, definitely that da-da window, the boom boom window. That was definitely a bit of a vision for, like, a bit of a vision block for me, since I didn't really see that window coming by. So if you kind of like have that first up note to the left, maybe if you want some, like, not consistency, but like more better play, you could also have that down note to the right. No, not the left, to the right. Sorry, I'm an idiot today. But yeah. So yeah, that's what I would say about it, to be honest. So that's pretty much all I could really say. Definitely that chain on that that, yeah, it was like the definitely was a bit too long, and it felt like I was kind of doing this a bit. And the same goes with the chains when doing the stream before the so yeah, that's just how I feel about it, to be honest. Overall, if you put the chains a bit closer together, maybe have that end, not end, sorry, the end part of the chain a bit closer, that would probably play a bit more better. A lot better, in my opinion. So yeah, let's go. And I don't know if it's the I don't know if it's only me who's having the issue, but that thing was, it's a bit too off for me. I don't know, it was a little off for some reason. I don't know if it's just me, but that's just how I feel. It could be just skill issue, and I'm an idiot for it. So yeah, let's go. No. Yeah, and that reset in the arc, I would probably since a lot of like ranked players and all that sort of stuff are gonna be playing it from the looks of it, I definitely put like some bomb reset or something to indicate, hey, your sabers should be up. Because I know I know a lot of casual players who take, arcs for granted and go like, oh, it's going up, I should put my sabers up. It would make a lot of sense, but ranked players, they don't play the rules. They don't play by them. They just go, oh, the arcs are going up. Weird. Oh shoot, it's a reset. So yeah, that's just how I feel about that. I didn't mean to correctly. Ah, damn it. So yeah. Yeah, it's really all I got so far. No, not so far, but that's all I got basically, except for what I said. It's a pretty good map. I have not much issues. I'm actually gonna do this once more on full speed because I know I did terrible. I just want to. Yeah, that JD is really close. If you're looking at how fast the notes go. So yeah, I would definitely put the JD a bit further here, something like that. Or the speed. Or the speed a little slower. Ah, damn it. Okay, yeah. Yeah, now I see. Yeah, if you like play it a couple of times, you definitely sorry. Yeah, if you play it like a couple of times, you'll definitely get used to it and like, all that sort of stuff. So, yeah, that's all I got so far. Pretty good map. And yeah, yeah. Hope this feedback really helps you. Bye bye then.